Okay, this is a video on how to change your Colman road trip grill from using the small bottles to using your RV quick connects. First thing you're going to do is remove the regulator. Propane tank or barbecue cannot have two regulators, it won't work. So you're going to use the regulator on the RV. First thing is you're going to need gas fitting, extension, 1/8 gas fittings. I already put T-tape on them, yellow T-tape, it's recommended for gas, and a 1/8 inch elbow gas. This way when I put it in, my gas line goes down and it's not sticking out behind the thing. First thing you're going to do is remove this part here, this piece. It's really hard. You may think you're going to break it, but it will actually come off. This one is a 12mm, fits. You got it. Once you get it loose. Now inside this is a spring and a valve. You have to make sure the valve and spring go back in, otherwise this will not work. So you're going to take this apart and watch, you'll see. There's a spring and a valve. They have to go back in the same way. So first thing you want to do is make sure that stays in. You can start connecting the gas line. Now that's going to be far enough. To go inward if you want, or you can make it so it sticks out further. So put an extra extension in. Hold on. 13. So with the 13 and the 12, you can tighten this up by going tighten that way and tighten that way. See, it's tightening both ways. So that's tight, and it allows for the part to come out, and you won't lose it. Now we're going to install the elbow. And just use channel locks or vice grips. Same thing. Tighten the elbow. And you want to install your connection. Like I said, I only put the elbow in there so when you hook up the gas line back up, it connects underneath. Again, 15mm. Nope. There you go. And we'll bring it over here. Connect your gas line, and there you go. Again, if you're going to do the regulator, you cannot have this on because your propane tank has a regulator. So if you want to go back and use in the small bottles, you would have to disconnect all this and put the other one, the old regulator, right back in here. It's actually that easy. Just remove this piece right here. All right. So what I did is ran a quick connect with a splitter, so now I can run my RV stove right here, and then I got 10 feet of line, and I can run the Colman grill. Just quick connects, and that's it. Here's my camper.